What's up, family? Day 37. We up 0.5% today. XRP at 268. Bitcoin at 98,400. Misty at $24.87. Nvidia is at $139. And the SPY is currently at 610. Y'all remember I was telling y'all to hit that SPY, come down, hit 600, put them calls on. Man, and it just, but we want to put the calls on for a month out. You know, they're more expensive, but that's how we got to do it. But what we finna to do is every day, day 37, we finna get in here and we finna buy XRP. All right. And I moved some money to my son's Roth because I started my son a Roth and he got money going in there every other week. So, and he got Misty and another play, and he just stacking right now. So we got 915 XRP on our way to 1,000. We up $300, 14%. Bitcoin, we at 95. We finna buy some today. About that. 96. Now we at 0.0096. We just inching our way up, family. Pretty soon, we're gonna have 1,000,000 Satoshis. And that's 1/10 of a Bitcoin. And then we can just, you know, keep stacking. But that's the goal. Everybody need to get 1/10 of 1/10. That's like right now, Bitcoin 98,000, that'd be $983 right now, 24 cents. $984, 24 cents right now to get 1,000,000 Satoshis. And I'm just inching my way up there, y'all. We're gonna be there here in a minute. I ain't tripping. As long as Bitcoin stay down and stay right there, right off in there, we're gonna be good. We're almost to 1,000 XRP. We only need, what is that? We only need 85 XRPs. Man, we came a long way. We started off about 500, something like that. But we getting there. We gotta get to 1,000 quick. No, we gotta just be secure, you know, just to be secure in the portfolio with 1,000 of them, just to make me feel better. You know, that's how I invest, just so I can feel better. I need 1,000. That's how y'all will be too in a minute. But these plays, it's just kind of, you know, some of them jumping, some of them popping, but we just watching them. But that Misty, we had 132 shares. It's down today. We actually down 20% on Misty. Man. But we steady averaging our dollar cost average down. We're trying to get it under $30. So once we do that, we're going to be good. We'll be comfortable with that. But Nvidia, we're going to get there. We're just going to be buying. We're going to put some money into Misty, bring that dollar cost average down. Once it start paying us a bigger dividend, we're going to start putting money into Nvidia. But we're going to be also putting money back into Misty as well. But we're going to really start rolling this thing and generating some income. But that's the $5 a day challenge. Let's get it. Stay on it, family. I love y'all. Peace. Day 37.